Oh, good girl. We're at Corgi Beach Day. Good girl. Okay, let's go. Sure.
Good job asking, buddy.
You must be having like events.
Okay, everybody, these are championship round here, so make some noise for Coco. And here we go, on your mark, get set, go. That will count. We are doing a quick 60-second round. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Wow. Did you see that? He probably has a rug burn after that. That makes Coco our winner with 7. Congratulations, everybody. Make some noise for Coco. Our 2025 Spring Corgi Beach Day Fetch Fanatic Champion. This is some stiff, fluffy competition. If you've ever seen two fluffier corgis, I'd like to see them. Here we go. Make some noise for Georgie. Go get your trophy and prizes. All right, guys, this is when it really matters. Here we go. Homie! Muzzy! All right, we're gonna go. The judges say homie took it this time. Congratulations, make some noise for homie! 2025 Spring Corgi Beach Day Costume Contest winner.